Welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to show you how to use your elbow, okay, and how you can train with your partner in order for you to learn how to use quick elbow techniques, okay. And I have a couple of the drills for you. Some of you might be watching this and you may think that this is a resemblance of a Wing Chun style. Like I said, at the end of the day, it's all pretty much the same style across the board of how to become a martial artist. And so come on in, Daniel. And the only way to practice to have a quick elbow is to train, not to from here come in and do like that, right? Now from here come in and do elbow like that. I want you to train as he's punching and learn how to block this way here, right? As you block this way with open hand, you follow with slap. You follow with slap, followed by elbow like that, okay? So you come and look that way, okay? Learn how to move in with your opponent rather than just only standing there and do the technique. Because think about it, when you are using your elbow, basically you want to be close to your opponent, right? Then there's no reason for him to punch and you stand 1, 2, and then elbow like that, right? And then 1, 2, and then hoping he comes in and elbow like that. It doesn't work that way, right? You want to learn how to get into position this way. As he punches, you block this way here, and then you pop and follow. You see how I move my legs in, I go pop, bump, right? So I want you to learn to do this with your partner. So let's say he punch, you will block, open hand block here, followed by breaking at the elbow, right? Then come in elbow this way here, right into his chest area, or hopefully you use this part here to hit him on the sternum, and right go this way. Then you follow by having your leg and back him, and then now you follow this way, okay, this way. So it goes like this. So go 1, 2, pump, follow by pump, this way, okay. So you learn how to do quicker. We go that way. So you want to practice this way. If he punches, you go block this way, open hand, followed by break his elbow, and then follow this elbow, and then this elbow. So it goes like this, go bum, bum, this way, okay? And learning how to use elbow, it's very important because I can say that, especially nowadays when you watch guys who are practicing MMA or they're practicing grappling techniques, they want to get close to you. Okay, so when they get close to you, what can you do? You don't want to end up grabbing them because now you are basically within their game plan. Okay, so you want to hit them with close distance, and it's very difficult to hit your opponent. When you hear him punch like that, right? So the only way that you can get power from hitting him is basically elbow like that. Okay, so learn how to use elbow, and I'm gonna show this again. So he comes, we go block, elbow here, right? As I elbow here, he's already off balance, okay? You might think, oh, how about this hand, he's gonna do something. Well, he's not gonna be able to do something because you're moving forward to him already, right? Because right now it's just showing purposes, so he's standing there, but if he does anything, it doesn't really matter, right? And then from here, now you change your stance into horse stance, right here, horse stance, and follow this here, okay? Follow this, okay? So we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you another technique on how to use elbow, followed by using the knee. Again, right? You only use elbow and knee for close distance purposes, okay? And come on in. So again, it's very important that you grab a partner that you can learn how to train this together so that you can use get used to your body and how to apply these motions, okay? So once again, you always want to start out with him punching and then you block, okay? Now, I'm gonna have another video where I'm gonna talk about why is that we always block first. Because in the rule for karate is always to block first because we don't strike first, okay? It's one of the rules, and I'm gonna have a long talk about that, well, we're gonna modify a little bit, but just for now, if you kind of wonder why, we always block first, that's how it goes. He punches, we block, right? Followed by elbow, breaking his elbow, elbow into his body, and you see how my hand here already? Now you go chop to his neck, pull down, and then knee, okay? That's how you get close to him, okay? Let me go with this angle here so that you can see from here. So he comes and I go, and then chop here, boom, break, okay? So we go, okay. Come on this side. All right, so that's for the knee. And how do you use the knee? The knee should not be just brought up easily like that, right? The knee should be brought up with your body tucked together, because when your body tucked together, that's how you compress, and when it becomes smaller this way here, you get more power when you bring up the knee, right? When you bring it up straight like this here, you get power. But when you coil your body in this way here, you get more power, okay? So he comes this way here, bum, and then here, coil. See that how I coil this way here? That's how I get the power. So last but not least, I'm going to show you another elbow techniques. Same thing as the previous one, except different directions. And this is the kind of directions here that you're going to play with your opponent's mind, but at the same time, it's gonna hurt a lot, okay? So come on in, Daniel. So earlier I showed you punching, and we're going this way, side, okay? Followed by the knee. Now we're going this way here, punching, and then block, step. You see how my hands here? I can go this way here to punch, right? Because I'm close enough to punch this way. But instead, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna fake. So I'm gonna fake the punch, and then I'm gonna follow by this boom, elbow right into the sternum, okay? Because anytime when psychologically, when you put your hand up here to somebody's face, they're gonna flinch a little bit and have no idea what you're gonna do, right? And that's what you want to do. You want to have no idea what you're gonna do, so that they can get scared and then they cannot react to you as quickly. Okay. So from here, he punches, block this way here, hands up, and boom, followed by here, straight down. Okay. So we go boom, straight down into his sternum. All right. So those are the techniques that I want you to practice. And if you like what you saw, please click like, subscribe, share the videos with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.